Alright, we need energy again. So an 11k. Is there another energy? That one's 16. How much was the other one?
14.
Oh, look in the
Yeah.
attic.
Extra jump.
I want hammer.
Oh yeah, more range. Oh yeah, more range.
Oh.
Anything in the attic?
Cluster bombs.
2k. 7k. We have... No, we can get the full.
Oh shit.
You also might want to consider.
That's
popcorn.
18.
My hammer.
No.
Uh,
We need more money.
Julia wants the hammer. So. Wow.
you're a little fairy.
Matt!
Matt.
Huh.
Haha,
Matt felt like exploding?
I did.
Alright, who has what health?
I have 53. Yippee. I can tank at least one shadow guy, and I'm chilling.
Julia, what's your health?
No, wait, where's Zoe? Zoe.
Smack her.
I'm good. Don't give me no help.
That's Tumblewings. Do you want the wings?
No.
Oh.
Gracidia, what's your health?
81. Thank you.
Yep, now I'm full.
All I hear is pitter pattering, pitter pattering, pitter pattering, pitter pattering. Oh, it's Storm doing that. Oh my god.
Hey, you guys didn't tell me that a trampoline in here.
Whee!
Okay, my computer's screaming at me. I gotta stop playing one.
Your computer's screaming at you.
Yeah.
Oh, I was fingering it.
My trampoline.
Alright,
Jesus, okay.
I have 4
That's
strength, by the way. So I can now pick up Rugrat.
Oh, nice.
And I'm walking, and I'm walking. Hey, I'm walking
And
here.
he's walking. And he's oh shit. Right, I'm getting stuck.
How's your health?
Oh! Holy shit.
Pretty.
Nothing.
There really ain't shit for loot, is there?
Wow, that was a good throw. I threw the banana in there.
I see that. Alright, you want me to catch you?
Nah, I'm good.
Well, fine, I didn't want to catch you anyway.
No.
That's crazy.
Zoe and Julie are gone.
He died? Already? When they died to? Oh. It's that guy.
Yeah, it's quackers. Don't you love them?
No. Not really.
See,
Really?
this is what happens to people who don't like quackers. Ain't that right, quacks? Help! Help! Diddy! Diddy got me!
That? What happened?
I was Diddy napped.
Crumble. I could try to take the duck if you lose sight. Come here. If you go down here, and you hide and look like this. If you look into this wall, I'll try to stay in front of him. But
Did you kill the duck?
no, I didn't.
found Zoe's head.
Okay.
Find Julia's.
The others are in the cart.
Yeah,
You have indestructible, right?
I do. Huh? Oh.
I don't
Keep
want
putting
it on
yourself.
me. Thank you.
There you go.
Alright.
Okay, mask up. Alright.
It's kind of full. Should I
It's
take
okay.
it back?
Yeah.
There's nothing else in here.
Take it out. Let's take it back for now.
Okay. I didn't see anything else. Else up in that tall room. There's nothing up there.
Oh, there isn't.
Yeah. Actually, I checked this one. I don't know about that one.
We can check it after.
I'll go up now.
You ready to push in?
Hold on. Alright, careful, don't grab anything that fell out.
I'm gonna put their heads in. Just so they don't,
I think you might risk knocking stuff out if you do. Just leave them in.
there we go. See, I knew I could get them.
Yeah.
Chicken, you gotta pull it away from yourself.
I do
There we
have
go.
it away from myself.
Okay. Ew.
Honestly, a good first haul. Alright, chicken, don't fuck it up.
I've been born again.
You've been born again.
My hammer!
Health packs.
Is that invisible guy? Oh,
Yes.
fuck.
Nope,
It's Diddy.
I didn't let you get diddied.
Thank you.
Okay,
Who's this
hold
for?
on.
You
Let me
want
fill
to
it
Let
in.
me,
health?
let me.
I'm full.
Oh wait. You're-
I'm okay. Thank you.
Bam.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Julia, how's your health? Turn around.
11.
Turn around.
Okay.
Back shots.
What?
Oh no. You turned around and it became a front shot.
There go me.
Jump rope.
There go me.
No, you are a jump rope now.
You turned me to a jumbo after you gave me a concussion. Crazy work.
Anyway, let's put you inside the vent. Have fun.
Okay.
Have fun in there.
Alright, if I die, it's all your fault.
Bye bye. And then he's gonna come back this year.
I'm a butterfly. We're
I'm a
all
beautiful
beautiful
fairy.
butterflies.
But why?
I'm a fairy type shit.
Ah,
Since you're orange, you could be carrot.
Aren't you glad we didn't say banana? Ah.
Fair enough.
Oh, someone angered the duck. Isn't that well?
Oh, hey, quackers. Julia.
I'm gonna kill it.
Pink.
And now it's gone.
Nice one, Julia. Oh,
My hammer! It's okay.
your hair?
I got it. But we got this now.
You almost
All
walked
because
into a
of me.
pit.
Bro, who
Good to
has
know.
who puts a pit in a museum?
It's a
I don't
showpiece.
know. The extraction is this.
Is it called despair? Is that what it's called?
No, it's called bottomless. You're supposed to throw junk you don't want in it because the pit's supposed to be the void with which you get rid of everything.
Uh-oh.
No, it made me drop it.
It's Spewpert.
Ow! Julia! Where am I?
Chicken, are you alright? Where'd you go?
Where am I? Help! I've been thrown into the not so bottomless pit.
Oh shit, he fell down there. He fell in here. Here, crouch and I'll pick you up. I can't. Right.
Do some parkour.
Oh shit, now I fell. Oh yeah, there is a part. Here, follow me. Jump here, and then jump here, and then jump up there. Oh. Almost there. And then jump to the one behind you. There's another one to jump on to get out. That's where I did. And then
There you go.
oh, you slipped. It's okay. Just do that again, and then you should be able to get out. There you go.
Is that Diddy's?
Oh!
Ow!
Man,
Hey, Julia, come here.
Anyway,
Oh, that sucks.
Turn around.
What's up? Thank you.
Oh, yeah. There we go. One more.
That's the good stuff. That's crazy.
Opa! I want another.
Oh,
Where'd she go?
He went down the pit again. Oh, there she
I
goes.
forgot I was holding S and not W. So I went backwards.
There you go. I gave you until I couldn't give no more. Actually, turn around.
Oh,
Gotta hit this man.
Run.
Gotta hit this man.
where's the pit? Where's the pit? I'm going in that pit.
Julia, run!
I'm gonna kill this man. No, 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 please, no, please, no! No!
You did good, Julia.
Is it gone?
Is dead. Don't touch
Okay.
don't touch the core. Alright. You're gonna grab Julia's head. I got the money. Come on in here. Where'd her head go? Did you grab Julia?
Yeah.
Cool, this is the mentalist.
Okay, I got it.
Surprisingly, she killed 3 things with the hammer.
Really? Damn.
She killed the
job, Julia.
duck, she killed Diddy, and she killed... Well, I killed the mentalist, but she hit it
Okay.
first.
Okay, ready?
Oh. And just after I gave her almost full health.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll give her 2 pips. Hi, Julia. Welcome back.
Ah, my hammer!
Hey, I used your hammer and killed it.
Oh yeah! Thank you.
Hey, Matt.
Ow.
Ah,
Would you like this?
No.
This is indestructible.
sure.
Take it. Here's Feather.
Thank you.
Because I realized I've been useless here and I've been fucking around.
I haven't been doing shit.
Yeah, but you've been with the
In
cart,
fact,
and that's what's important.
there's
Not much.
I saw a clown somewhere over there, so I was running
Oh,
away from him.
Did you ask him
why
for
are
a
you
burger?
talking about yourself like that?
Should have asked him for a burger.
That's crazy.
Which way was it, Storm?
It was down here.
Lonnie Mickey D's.
I think he went straight ahead. I think that's where he went.
Yeah, Storm is pointing the direction where his twin is.
Julia, I think you're mistaken, Julia.
Oh,
I think
don't know. I don't
I
know.
think
It
you're
kind
mistaken.
of looks just like you. Like are very identical.
Nah, that's you. No, it doesn't.
Julia just casually in her bullying hours.
Oh, I hear it. Oh.
That's right,
You.
Julia. Beat his ass. I already got him. Like,
What's going on over there?
Zoe, you're alive?
Yeah, I'm alive.
No,
thanks for
he's
the
in a
ride.
room. Yeah, he's in a room adjacent to the one with the stairs.
Oh, Storm died.
Get my run back.
Oh, let me not jump off there.
Storm, where did you die, buddy?
This is all that's up here.
I can't see.
Oh, I put it in the cart.
Okay.
I didn't check the second row. Give me 1 second.
Oh, right. Where's Storm's head?
Cart's right here. The orb.
And I'm all alone. Ain't nobody here beside me. Except Gracidia, who's always there beside me.
Oh, found him.
Hey!
Found him.
I got it.
You got his head? Okay, good.
Yeah.
And then I drop
found
it.
him. Alright. Come on, Julia.
Someone put the cart beneath this one.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'll grab it from you. I got it. Duck is here.
There we go.
I'm glad the thing doesn't give us radiation sickness when we touch it.
Huh?
Like the radioactive stuff, I'm glad it doesn't give us sickness and cause us to lose health.
Yeah. Oh. Here, I'll just take it back.
No, I took a drone off.
I got Julia.
I'm gonna put the slapperjack in there. I'm gonna see if I can smack the duck with the hammer.
Okay. I had Julia.
Oh my god.
Hey, quackers.
I'm
How
trying to
you
see if my
quacking?
hammer will explode on it. I'm not so lucky.
Fuck off, man.
Invisible. I'm losing duck aggro.
Hmm?
No, I was just losing the duck.
Alright. You can just put it down. It's fine, chicken. There is space there.
Ooh.
Matt?
Born again.
Hi, quackers.
Jimmy. Oh, Jimmy.
I just love getting lasered. Getting laser is my favorite hobby.
Um,
My
Damn.
hammer broke, but I got it.
Julia, how many kills
why
did
is-
you get with that thing?
Matt, why is my
Almost
why is
5.
my gun broken?
Yeah, look at my hammer. It broke.
Why is
It's
it
not
broken?
broke.
No, look at it. It's broken.
No, your hammer is, but not the gun.
You need more. You need more
Yo,
air
give
in that
me
thing.
my hammer, bruh.
Hammer
I want to
time.
use it. It looks so disformed, and I like
Thank you.
it.
You need more air in that thing.
It looks so
Fine.
disformed. I like it.
Yeah, but now it doesn't do anything. It's like a
I
door.
don't. I'll get
That's
it
crazy.
fixed, but I'd like to keep it. It looks so disformed.
Alright, Julia, Storm, go back to home.
Home sweet home. Oh god.
Wherever home is.
Trying to kill it. Careful. Oh shit.
Oh my god, don't look at me! I'm ugly!
I'm gonna stay away. Don't go near him. He sit down.
I'm ugly.
Not
They,
the
I
acid.
caught the ugly. It's horrible.
He got COVID. He got COVID.
That's crazy.
I caught the ugly. Once upon a time. Once upon a time.
Chicken got COVID.
Once upon a time, someone was ugly. The end. Don't you feel better knowing you're not the ugly one?
Oh, that's the wrong way. Let me just this way.
Oh,
Oh
Ugh.
shit.
Oh my god, you got AIDS.
No, I got the ugly. Oh god. With a side of food poisoning. There, I'm going into my sick corner.
Oh,
Julia,
saved
you
my
used all
hammer.
the energy.
It's okay.
Oh,
You need energy to to inflate an inflatable hammer? That's crazy.
Apparently. Kill it.
Beat its ass.
Oh, he's dead.
it's pretty, isn't it?
I like the little nucleus.
It kind of looks like a fish egg, you know, like caviar. Like I'll eat that shit.
Should I break it? Should I break it or should I try to take it to them? Never mind, I'm breaking
Oh, they're
it.
already pushed in.
Hey Julia,
Break.
heads up.
Yeah. Awesome.
Awesome.
That's a $2,000 headbutt.
I know, right?
That was very costly, but
We
It
got
was worth
Bang
it.
Baby,
Pause
Bang. Hello?
What?
The hell?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh,
Run!
no.
Run! Run!
Why me?
Who the hell? Okay.
Oh my goodness, bro.
What the? And it put me at 1 health. That's crazy.
I'm
Oh.
at 6 health. This is a lovely day for me.
I just want combo.
I would like a sword.
We're completely out of energy.
I'm gonna. Cause I get this? Yeah.
Oops, sorry. You ran towards the chest. I'm hitting everyone.
Get some
But you took the
health.
stamina.
I need some health.
Open the door. I go in.
Trying to decide what I
you go.
want, but
Is there a
I don't
duck
know.
bucket?
There's a
I'm putting the
dynamite
stamina in for you, Zoe.
and a duck
Oh,
bucket.
that wasn't stamina. That was a crotch.
No, I know. The first thing I
That was
put
a
in was
what?
stamina.
That was a
It was
what?
a crotch. It was a crotch. Like. Woo. Ah!
Oh, y'all behave. Anything in the attic? Did y'all check the attic?
Duck
Well,
shit,
yeah.
and someone's throwing down.
Is there stuff in there? Oh.
We
Yeah,
already
there's
got
something
the
in
duck
it.
bucket.
Oh. Oh my god. Okay, that's enough.
Nice.
That's enough.
That's enough.
You know,
I already put one in.
Damn, no parking cards still? Like shit.
No.
Oh.
Pretty lights.
Okay.
Look at the pretty lights.
A fail.
Okay,
Oh. Oh. My Shayla.
Shayla.
I was
Oh.
blown up.
I got one more in me.
Take the green.
Oh, Goosh is in VC.
Let me go say hi. It's
What?
Hey.
Hold on.
Hey,
Hey,
Goosh.
Goosh.
What up?
I
Hey,
didn't know
Goosh.
what name you wanted, so I put you as Goosh Goosh. I could change it again if you don't like it.
You can change it to Captain Goosh.
Okay, doodle.
Or General Goosh. That's even better.
Okay.
General Goosh.
I think
No,
let's just
General
stop for now.
douchebag. There you
Save
go.
the
Oh, that's
I
crazy.
changed it.
Yeah, let's save and then I think Matt and I save this. We're gonna go take it easy.
Wait, what happened, y'all?
Hold up,
You
hold up.
can use
I'll
a break.
fix it again. Hold up. There you go.
Like, are y'all saying this is the last round?
No, I
think
think
I'm good for now,
I
actually.
think we're gonna. hop
Oh,
off
I thought
now.
I had one. Okay.
Oh, y'all are done for
Oh,
the
wait,
night?
we're not.
That's fine.
I get it now.
Just Matt and I don't mind if I don't think we mind if